Today's video is brought to you by theunlockingcompany.com. I'm here to show you how to unlock the Alcatel 7 from Metro PCS so it works on any GSM carrier. As you can see right here, I have a Cricket wireless SIM card that will be going into this Metro PCS device. Now, if I just put this SIM card into this device, it will not work unless I get an unlock code, and that's where the Unlocking Company comes in. So I'm going to show you how to get all that information. First thing you're going to want to do is go into your dialer and hit *#06#, and it's going to give you your IMEI number, and you're going to want to go ahead and write that down. All right, guys, once you've written your IMEI number down, we're here at theunlockingcompany.com. So in this case, we're going to select the Alcatel as the manufacturer. Now, you don't see the number 7 here by itself, so what you're going to do is select any model, and then you're going to click Unlock Now. Okay, country purchased from, in our case, is the United States. Our carrier is Metro PCS. And this is what it's going to cost you, $39, much cheaper than the competition. So not only are you saving money with the unlockingcompany.com, it's McAfee and Norton secured, meaning they're antivirus and security, 100% money back guarantee if they cannot unlock your device. Over 3 million phones have been unlocked. Trusted US-based company, and you are protected by that awesome PayPal protection. All right, but enough of that. So what you're going to do is enter the IMEI number from your device. You're going to enter your full name. You're going to enter your delivery email, and then you're going to hit order now. You're going to pay for your unlock, and then we're going to wait for that email to come in and go from there. One more step. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this SIM card and enter the Cricket wireless one. So we'll be back in a second. Okay, so once you enter your foreign SIM card, in this case the Cricket wireless one, you're going to want to power your phone off. Okay, so I got this screen since there's a foreign SIM card in this Metro PCS device, the Cricket wireless one. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the unlock pin that the Unlocking Company has just emailed me, and I'm going to press unlock, and then we're going to see what happens. And there you go, another unlock successful thanks to the unlockingcompany.com. I can use this worldwide when I travel or on any GSM carrier in the United States that I wish. Thank you, unlockingcompany.com, for making it easy and saving me some money. Y'all should go check out the unlockingcompany.com as well, so they can take care of all your unlocks. All right, guys, I hope y'all like this kind of content. Go ahead and hit thumbs up, subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and y'all have a great day.